How will you be remembered? A book? A poem? A painting? For those of us who create with our hands, a building is where we make our mark in this world, a testament to those who built it. Something that will last not one, but several lifetimes. It's more than just brick and stone we build with. It's the blood, the sweat, and the tears shed along the way. Our life. It's the knowledge that a hurricane or tornado can destroy a project before it's even off the ground, and even a small rainstorm can throw off a perfectly planned schedule. It may be a new school where your children or grandchildren will receive an education, or just a simple fire pit that will keep your family warm on a crisp fall evening. It doesn't matter. One job is just as important as the next. It is not unusual to see our crew out after dark, remeasuring, because we lost half an inch. Have you ever obsessed over half an inch? One day an author of a poem will be forgotten, books replaced by devices. But the house, the school, the fire pit, they will still be there as a testament to an art, the art of masonry.